present you the all-new Renault Filante, a vehicle designed with our South Korean teams and a new step in our international strategy. Filante is the result of successful collaborations between our teams in Paris and in Seoul to create a strong and coherent proposal designed for a global market. With this car, our ambitions are clear. Propose a charismatic and bold crossover that stands out in the automotive landscape and offer the level of wellness and comfort of an airplane premium class. Filante displays a fluid but dynamic and powerful stance. A continued structured shoulder runs from an assertive front end to an expressive and sharp rear, enhancing the sense of space. From first glance, it elongates the silhouette and it gives both a feeling of a generous exterior with the sporty attitude of a coupe. Filante fully embodies Renault's DNA, with generous shapes, combined with precise, sharp, and modern technical details. The bodywork encloses highly structured features, inspired by aeronautics, and it focuses on efficiency, like the sloping roof, a suspended spoiler, and an originally shiny black and tapered rear. The wide, powerful front also expresses the technological dimension with its illuminated logo and unique lighting signature. The grille is finely sculpted around the diamond motif with a subtle gradient of color and a graphic evocation of the Renault logo. The lights, both in the front and in the back, are treated as true objects, precisely integrated. The lighting signature adopts the 28-degree angle of the Renault logo, and the DRL displays a modern and assertive graphic design. It's this attention to detail that reinforces the vehicle's identity and perceived quality. And now I welcome you on board, where we created a lounge feeling, spacious, comfortable. The striking element inside is, of course, this super wide open-R panorama screen that runs from the driver all the way to the passenger area. The immersive digital interfaces provide a seamless and intuitive digital experience. The materials, the textures, and finishes have been carefully chosen to combine comfort and perceived quality. The design of the seats echo the dynamic strength of the exterior, adding some tech touch with a stainless steel piece on the upper part and an illuminated A sign on the SP Alpine version. Filante offers a unique onboard experience through the spaciousness of the rear cabin with a 32-centimeter knee radius and an enhanced interior brightness provided by the natural light from the panoramic glass roof. Under this unique and dynamic silhouette, Filante asserts its personality and offers onboard experience worthy of a premium class. The space and comfort offered to passengers, the high level of quality and finish, combined with a technologically environment, delivers an unmatched design for demanding international customers. After the successful launch of Grand Koleos, Filante is our new international flagship, daring and distinctive. And I now give the floor to Mr. Jay, Chief of R&D, for more product insights. Thank you very much.